Said yes,
She's cool.
and Mark Eva is one of the strong fathers of the organization and members as well. The organization has been steadily engaged into the following feeding, caring of all women and men in our community. This organization has been registered and told by the government of Liberia and the United Nations, but is yet to be passed into law. Therefore, the organization has been so far operated in the foreign countries, Monserrado, Makibi, and Bam, Kema, and Babalu. The organization is seeking any assistance from any group organized of government so as to assist to the other countries respectfully. Thanks.